Within SEAwise, we wondered how special fishing restriction, designed to protect endangered species in the Bay of Biscay, would affect fishing fleets and the commercial stocks they harvest. The demersal fishery in the Bay of Biscay targets hake, anglerfish, rays, megrim, sole, and nephrops. Two types of restrictions were evaluated: MPAs, limiting trawls aimed at protecting common dolphins, and MPA limiting passive gears to protect puffins. We relied on the ISISFISH model to simulate the impact of these special limitations on fleets and stocks.
ISISFISH is a spatial bioeconomic model designed for management strategy evaluation. It is implemented within a software under a libre license and is downloadable on isisfish.org. A short movie is available on the website to present the main objectives and assumptions of the model. The software provides several user-friendly interfaces for setting parameters of the fisheries and launching simulations. The Fishery Settings interface allows defining the spatial extent of the fishery as well as fish habitats, fishing grounds, and management zones. The resolution for the SEAwise application was chosen to be 1/4 of a degree of latitude and 1/8 of a degree of longitude. Parameter values or equations for each of our 7 stocks are entered in the interface and cover all biological traits, including growth, reproduction, recruitment, and migrations. Similarly, parameter values or equations are informed regarding each of the 430 métiers and 46 fleets, including vessels below 12 meters. It concerns their gear, selectivities, fishing efficiency, catch composition, strategies, and fishing time over a monthly time step. All the information needed to simulate the functioning of the fishery is stored within a dedicated H2 database, published as an open dataset on the SEAwise platform. In order to launch the simulation interface allows the selection of the fishery, species, fleets, duration of the run. Initial numbers for the stocks have to be informed. The management measures applied during the simulation are selected in a list and can be parameterized. Finally, the outputs of interest, biomass, effort, catches or revenues are selected. Simulation settings can be saved and reloaded to allow easy replication of the runs. SEAwise simulation settings are available in the SEAwise deposits. When ready, press the Simulate button. Dedicated R scripts and Markdown documents have been developed to facilitate the importation of simulation outputs and their exploration. Biological outputs for the 7 species and fishing activities outputs are used to compute indicators of the impact of closure at short and long term. In particular, plots are provided to visualize the change of total catch for each fleet relative to the business as usual scenario under different closures. Similar plots are also produced to investigate the changes in the spawning stock biomass of the 7 stocks under the 3 designs of fishery closures. To better understand the results, output can also be explored through interactive interfaces in a Shiny app. It allows exploring time series of the outputs and comparing across scenarios at various scales, for instance, focusing on species, such as spawning spot stock biomass or fishing mortality. Focusing on fleets, catches per quarter can be explored for the different fishery closure. References and additional information may be found on the EasyFish website or in the SEAwise publications. Thank you for watching.